In today's fast-paced world, anxiety and stress have become common issues affecting many individuals. Essential oils, derived from plants, offer a natural and effective way to manage these conditions. This exploration delves into the best essential oils for anxiety and stress relief, highlighting their benefits and methods of use. Understanding essential oils. Essential oils are concentrated extracts from plants, capturing their aromatic essence and beneficial properties. They have been used for centuries in various cultures for their healing properties, particularly in aromatherapy, where the inhalation of these oils can influence emotional and physical well-being. Top essential oils for anxiety and stress relief. Lavender. Lavender is renowned for its calming and soothing properties. It helps reduce anxiety, stress, and even mild depression. The scent of lavender can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Methods of use include inhalation, add a few drops to a diffuser. Topical application, mix with a carrier oil and apply to the wrists or temples. Bath, add a few drops to bath water for a relaxing soak. Chamomile. Chamomile is another essential oil known for its relaxing effects. It is particularly effective in reducing stress and promoting a sense of calm. Methods of use include inhalation, use in a diffuser or inhale directly from the bottle. Topical application, mix with a carrier oil and massage into the skin. Bergamot. Bergamot oil has a citrusy scent that is both uplifting and calming. It helps reduce anxiety and improve mood. Methods of use include inhalation, use in a diffuser or add a few drops to a handkerchief and inhale. Topical application, mix with a carrier oil and apply to the skin, avoiding direct sunlight exposure after application due to phototoxicity. Ylang. Ylang has a sweet, floral aroma that is known to reduce stress and anxiety while promoting relaxation. Methods of use include inhalation, use in a diffuser. Topical application, mix with a carrier oil and apply to the skin. Frankincense. Frankincense is a grounding essential oil that helps reduce feelings of anxiety and stress. It is often used in meditation practices. Methods of use include inhalation, use in a diffuser or inhale directly. Topical application, mix with a carrier oil and apply to the skin. How to use essential oils for maximum benefit. Diffusion. Using a diffuser is one of the most effective ways to experience the benefits of essential oils. Add a few drops of your chosen oil to the diffuser, which disperses the aroma throughout the room, creating a calming environment. Topical application. Essential oils can be applied to the skin, but they should always be diluted with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil. Apply to pulse points, such as wrists, temples, and neck, for quick absorption and effect. Inhalation. Inhale essential oils directly from the bottle or add a few drops to a handkerchief. This method provides immediate relief from anxiety and stress. Bath. Adding a few drops of essential oil to bath water can create a spa-like experience, helping to relax the mind and body. Conclusion. Essential oils offer a natural, holistic approach to managing anxiety and stress. By incorporating these oils into your daily routine, you can experience their calming and therapeutic effects, promoting overall well-being and a sense of tranquility. Whether through diffusion, topical application, or a relaxing bath, essential oils can be a valuable addition to your stress relief toolkit.